Hi! In front of me is CROSSCALL Core M5, and today I would like to show you how you can set up an alarm clock. Begin by going into an app called Clock and selecting Alarm section at the bottom left corner of it. Now, before creating new alarm, tap on those three dots at the top right corner. Select Settings and adjust all of those under Alarms however you wish to. Like for example, snooze. When you are finished, go back and click on this big plus icon to create new alarm. Firstly, set up an hour. You can always change it later on. To save it, hit OK at the bottom right corner. Now adjust all of those available options however you want to. At the top, click on Add Label. Label your alarm however you want to, if you want to, and hit OK. Now set up days of the week by tapping on the chosen ones. And to exclude some of them, click on this little plus next to Pause Alarm. Then click on the ones that you wish to exclude and save them by hitting OK. In order to delete those dates, click on this little icon next to them. You can use the same plus icon to add or remove your alarm from Google Assistant routine. When you're done, click on this icon next to Vibrate to manage vibrations. And finally, tap on this little bell. Now you can download one of those sound sources by clicking on the chosen ones or select Dismiss. Finally, click on YouTube Music, Spotify or Sounds at the top. And if you wish to click on YouTube or Spotify, just log in and use music from it. If you decided to pick sounds, you can click on Add New at the top. Click on any song from your smartphone and this way set it up as new incoming alarm one. You can also just pick one of those. Wherever you decided, when you're done, go back. As you can see, after that, my alarm was successfully created. If you wish to switch it off completely, click on this switcher next to it. You can turn it back on the same way. In order to hide all of those options, click on the top right corner of your alarm. If you want to delete it though, click on the top right corner to make alarm options visible again. And then hit this bin at the bottom left one. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!